Good morning, students. Are you having a great day so far?
Yes, I'm having a great day.
Thank you so much. So, for today's class, we're going to continue talking about artificial intelligence. We're going to continue talking about the effects that it has on society. But this time, we will do it a little bit different. The other day, we were talking about reading. But this time, we're going to use our laptops to do a better version of reading. So right now, I have this information in here. If you remember, we have two techniques when it comes to reading. We have skimming and we have scanning. Skimming is a technique when you only read to get the main idea. And scanning is a technique when you read to get specific details. With something like this, we can do scanning perfectly. For example, this is a text and it's about artificial intelligence changing the world. If I want to do the skimming technique, it's going to be very easy because we only have to read quickly, we only have to read through it, and I can slide, I can zoom in, I can zoom out, but most importantly, I focus on topic sentences. So just by reading very quickly, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. You will tell me the main idea of this paragraph. So go ahead, remember that you can see it on your own laptop, but I'm going to lend mine if you don't have one. We go quickly through it. So, the main idea of this text what is it? So go ahead. The main idea is,
It's about the artificial intelligence.
very good, artificial intelligence and how it is changing the world. That is what happens when you read very quickly and you only focus on the idea of the text, not every detail. But if I want to focus on every detail, we have a wonderful technique. It's called the search function. So by pressing the letter Ctrl and G at the same time, I can type in any word that I want to look for. For example, healthcare. What if I want to know about the effects of artificial intelligence in healthcare? It gets highlighted automatically, so you don't have to look for it on your own. You can use technology to assist you. And these are the effects of technology in healthcare. Alrighty, so far so good?
So far, so good.
Perfect. So, you're going to do some brainstorming on this topic. You're going to do it on your laptops, your tablets. And when you finish your brainstorming, everyone is going to this page. It's called MindMeister. And on this page, you can create mind maps very quickly. For example, I type in the topic in the middle, artificial intelligence, and I can add branches to it. I added one. I can add another one, and I can write something like positive effects. And I have my first branch. I can continue adding on this side or on this side. When you do mind maps online, it gets very easy because ideas are organized visually and you can see everything that you have done so far. So, I will give you the link so you can have access to MindMeister. When you finish brainstorming, you're going to write about the topic. And in order to write about the topic, we're going to use something very cool this time. So do you have your cell phones with you?
Yes, I have my cell phone.
Thank you so much. I'm going to share with you a QR code. Alrighty. So go ahead and scan it.
Okay.
Everyone, make sure that you're scanning the QR code so you can get access to our Padlet. And Padlet is the tool that we're gonna use for today. It is very important to have access to it so you can fill in the prompts. This tool allows you to share your ideas with others. I added the prompts for you. For example, the one that is pinned says, in my opinion, AI will improve society because, and it's open for you to add a comment. No worries, if you're struggling with it, it doesn't matter. We're gonna fix it very quickly, alright? So we have the first prompt. In my opinion, AI will improve society because one benefit of AI is, this is the following prompt. And the last one, therefore, I believe. If you notice, I'm using connectors. So please add your comments, and when you see your classmates' comments, you can add something to it. Oh, very good. I'm seeing your answers, and I'm loving it so far. Yes, so your other classmates are going to add feedback to it. And what can you add as feedback to your classmates? I recommend starting with something positive. Then add something that can improve. For example, punctuation, grammar, or idea development. And finally, finish with something positive. This way, you can improve on your writing. Righty? So let's continue with the next activity, which is giving feedback.